Holy crap. Almost home, but all of a sudden, whammy. Holy crap. Almost home. I hope nobody hits me because I got no lights. Oh, come on. I'm here somewhere. There I am. There. Holy sheep shit, Batman. Alright, no cars. Oh, that's pure ice. Yep, yep. Alright. I hope the propane guy can get in here. I did it earlier, but no. Holy smokes. It is really coming down now. He needs to get out here before before this covers my driveway again. Oh, smacker, racker. Holy smackers. I really need new tires. I had 3 flats on my way. I had to come all the way back when I first left this morning, or this afternoon. They were all 3 almost totally flat. Alright. Oh, okay. What do you think, buddy? We made it home. I know, right? Alright, peace and love. Stay warm and safe out there.